What's up? I just wanted to make this video because it's something I've been thinking about a lot recently. I'm turning 29 this year, or actually, I already turned 29, and I said that with so much disappointment in my voice, but my 20s are basically over, and I think one of the most valuable things that I learned in my 20s was who I am. And I realized through the process of elimination almost that I'm an artist. And what I mean by that is that I tried a lot of different jobs in my 20s and in my teens a little bit. I've done a bunch of shit. Delivery driving, cashiering. I worked in sales for a while. I was an audio engineer and I still am. And to be honest, none of it really means anything to me. And I know that's true of a lot of people, like work is just work, but it means nothing to me, and I could also sense that there was something else inside of me that needed to be expressed. For a lot of my 20s, when I wasn't working on my music, I felt like there was something I had to do, but I wasn't remembering what it was. It was that really distinct feeling. It's like when you leave the house and you're like, wait, is the fridge closed? It's like that type of thing. But I just felt that all the time. And once I started to work on my music, that feeling went away. So I just kind of have to assume that's what that was. And I feel like on some deeper level, that is my purpose on earth. I have to make music. I don't know why I have to make music, but I just do. And my life doesn't make sense unless I do it. Anyway, I think a big part of the reason I was thinking about all this was because I've spent a lot of time over the last few years really like hoping for something to happen career-wise in terms of my music. And I think I've done fine with my music. Like, I've accomplished the small goals that I've had, like passing 1,000 streams, like stuff like that. But I've put this pressure on myself to find some sort of success because I realize now that I really am an artist and there's nothing else I'm going to do with my life. But at the same time, just knowing that I am an artist on a deeper level is actually enough for me. And it's not something I could have said at any other point before now. I hope it becomes a career for me, but I just realized that in a way I don't care. I actually really don't care, because this is just who I am, and I will always be this, and I will always make my music. And having my music, just me making my music as the baseline of my life, actually is enough. And I wanted to share that.